evening, my people. Good evening, my people. Let's make this very short. Make it very short. This video is very short. This goes to the people who are asking me, like, how can they deposit to be able to purchase their package? You get the point, right? So, here is what you're gonna do. Immediately you log into your account. All right. If you log into your account, all right, when you log into your account, what you're going to do is you come on mine. And then on mine, under your username, you want to see settings, task, reward, subscription, invite friend, change password. So we'll straight away click on a reward. Guys, please follow these steps carefully. And then you see financial overview. There's total asset, balance, pending, club voucher. So now under money management, you're gonna see deposit, withdraw, transfer, right? Then here, journal, it is telling you USDT or CV. CV, obviously, if you want to get the statement and stuff like that, but hey, we do not have yet, the statements because we've not yet done any withdraw on the platform, guys. So quickly direct to the point why we are making this short video, guys. So you go on deposit, get this clearly and straightforward. Click on deposit. All right. When you click on deposit, you see there is deposit TRC 20 USDT, and under there you see the address. Right? So what you do, you're gonna copy the address, but remember there's a reminder down there. They're saying send only USDT TRC20 to the deposit address. Sending any other coin or token to this address may result in the loss of your money. Network confirmation fund will be credited to your account after one network confirmation. Prohibition. Transaction with sanctions entities are strictly prohibited. So this is just a reminder. After you have copied your address, all right, in this regard, after you have copied your address, what you're gonna do now, you go to your preferred exchange, like crypto exchange. We've got Yellow Card in Zambia, we've got Binance, we've got Get.io, we've got OKX, just few to mention. So if you got USDT there, you carry along yourself with this address. For instance, if I was to go, yes, so voila, I'm here. For instance, if I wanted USDT, all right. So USDT, let's say I want to transfer USDT. So what I'm gonna do is I'll go on withdraw, right? Make sure you select on chain rather withdraw. Very important. So you click there, you click USDT, right? Then you go ahead and click there. So as you can see here, it is asking you to please enter the address. For instance, I'll paste this address which I got, that side. I'll select the network. So let's look for a network. This is the network that we are looking for. We are looking for Tron, right? Tron, we are looking for Tron. This is TRC20, guys. This is what we are looking for, right? So you pick Tron. You see, there are a lot of networks here. There are a lot of networks, blah blah blah, here and there. But then our concentration is on Tron. And then you put the amount. Let's assume you want to do a $10, guys. So you put the amount there, right? And then when you confirm the payment, you go back to your account. The money is sitting in your account. Then you click on subscription, all right? You click on subscription. So you see the inactive. So you go straight out on purchase. On purchase, you're going to click on purchase, all right? So quantity is 1 month, as you can see. Then this system of Cubig, they are going to generate a code, right? And that code, you should enter it here. Let's assume I enter that code, and then I confirm. So if there is no money in my account, it will tell me it's sufficient, but if there's money, the payment will be confirmed.